Okay. Huh. So I have created controller, I have created thermostat. Now I need to create IO points. So what I will do, I will add a room. Room means room, it is necessary to create the room. Otherwise I will not be able to configure the any physical IO points. So add rooms, and you can rename it whatever, FCU. Okay. FCU. Okay. Here, from here we can change the description also, whatever description we want, like FCU. You will type simple FCU. Okay. So I created the rooms. You can see what we can do. One more thing, if we have to export this program as a template, then we need to rename it and use the percent before and after, and this is the before. We have to use this percent value. Okay. Okay. So I already added a room. I will double click on room configuration. I will go to you can see this is the library, our library, and from here I will take some TRA input and output. So there you can see lots of inputs and outputs are available. So if we have to take cooling coil feedback, then I will copy this. It has predefined IO points name and all things. Cooling coil position, where is cooling coil position? I don't know. Where is cooling coil? Okay, we can take whatever we want here. Otherwise, we can edit it from here. No issue. I will go to property, and here we can set the low limit and high limit of object, and the present value and maximum value. Based on this value, scale will be created. We can change a description and object name from here. Okay, and from here we can change also address of IO point. You can see right now address is this, and if anyone want to change it, he can change it from here, address line. Okay. Otherwise, if we don't need to copy this type of template IO, then we can go generic, and we will simply take the value like this. So I will also add a temperature. This is the analog input. Temperature sensor we can add from here. Correct template. Okay. So I added chill water valve, feedback, supply temperature. Okay. Now I want to change its base name. What I can do, I will go to here and TRU. TRU means room temperature. I will also edit it. Room temperature. Okay, you can see already edited. Now analog output. I need to add some analog output. like cooling coil position. You can see cooling coil position already added here. Same like if we want to add any binary input like fan state, fan on off status, we can change name and base. Binary output, like binary output, what binary output, we can change it to from here. Binary output, binary output from here. We can add whatever binary output required. We can change the name from here according to like a hand command. Okay, and cmd. Okay, so I created some IO points here. You can see. Okay, what I will do now, I will go to room. I will create one new application function. Same, I will rename it and I will give the name FCU. From here we need to also change the base name and description also. We have to change description so that it will visible in logical view of HQCC. So FCU, whatever name we can provide here also. Okay, after here I will go to chart. I will add a new chart. Chart name is FCU. Okay, I created a chart. I will double click here and go to library. Here we have the common function block and this XFB's library. Okay, so here is the lots of library for function block. You can see. So for analog input, analog value, I will use this read analog. Like if we have to create some set point in my chart, I want to create a block for change the set point and I want to map the set point from here, then we can create from here. So this is the set point. I will provide some name. This is the base name, and here also we can provide description. Room temperature, set point. Okay, you can see, and from here I will again drag and drop room temperature. Sorry, temperature RU. So it is the room temperature. Okay, now what I have created here, room temperature, cooling coil, fan state, fan command. So room temperature, and for cooling coil feedback I will use this read analog. So CCLFB for cooling coil feedback, cooling valve feedback. Okay, so I created cooling coil feedback function block, read analog, and room temperature done, fan state, room temperature done, fan command.